Guys, what we have here is Audi A6 C4 first generation. This example from 1996. It is V6 2.8 and we have some tunnel in front of us on pedeshots. So we will try to hear a little bit stock exhaust of this V6. I truly love this car. I hope we will hear something. It is just stock exhaust. That was the second speed. The second speed. It wasn't full because we have limitations. We're in tunnel, but I have a car in front of me and behind me. But I hope it is heard a little bit in a. So yeah, it's. I love so much this car. It's very relaxed and it is in prestige condition. This is an example. It is full black leather with black exterior. Once again, V6 2.8, first owner. Everything is functional like the first day. So it is extremely well quality built, this car, and I hope the young boys will have opportunity to experience the cars from 19s, how well they were built. So unfortunately we have a car in front, so we can't hear it anymore. Just cruising and a lot of sound because the only one right window is open, but maybe if I get opportunity in another tunnel, because after this one we will have another one, we'll just push it a little bit more. So I hope to hear it. It's symphony. It's symphony. For me it's symphony. V6 Symphony, stock V6, stock exhaust, stock engine. Yeah, unfortunately the car in front of us is very slow, so I will stop recording. And sorry, I'm not very familiar with making videos. I just was in a good mood, and this car is only driven 3-4 times in a year, so I took opportunity to make just a sound check, tunnel sound check. Oh, come on, dear Ibiza, move it out. We wish to stretch leg a little bit. Both legs. Yeah, we're just cruising. We can't hear anything. Just wind sound from open window. Yeah. Okay, I will now close the window. Just to hear how good insulation is on those cars. It's quality build, like unreal. It's unmatchable for those cars, because this car is 26 years old, guys. 27 27 years, guys. It's okay. We had Ibiza moved, and I'm happy for that. I'm happy for that. another sound check. We are approaching tunnel at this moment. I will open window again to hear it better. So we'll try second, third. So once again, second, third, I have speed camera in front, so I need to. Okay, it's good. Yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you can hear anything. Bye guys. Yeah, those cars, 90s, wow.